Hey everybody, this is Anu. Welcome back to Treasury Crafts. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon and select all notification option to get all my new updates every week. Today I will show you how to make this beautiful organizer from waste containers and PVC pipes. So I'm repurposing empty tea powder container, and you can take any waste container from your home. You can even use PVC pipes instead of this if you have, or else you can repurpose use and throw water bottle. Just cut the top portion of the use and throw water bottle and you can reuse it. If you are using PVC pipe, cut into desired size. I'm using this blade to cut the PVC pipe. Just mark and cut it. You can even heat up your knife and cut them. So I'm going to use 4 pieces for this craft. As plastic is not a porous material, so to create an ideal base, I'm going to cover it with tissue paper and glue. Take some white glue and mix it with equal amount of water. Apply it on the surface and cover it with tissue paper. You can even apply a coat of homemade gesso or primer. I will give the link of homemade gesso recipe in the description box. Do check it. I request all of you to watch my video without skipping. Please don't skip the video, watch till end to know all important steps. Cover the edges with tissue paper. Do check the description box to know all the list of materials I use. Similarly, cover other 2 containers. Now cut a cardboard of 20 cm measurement. I am taking 2 pieces for thickness. This is going to be the base. Now apply glue and stick 2 pieces together. Now for a good finishing, I am going to cover the edges with masking tape. You can even use newspaper or tissue paper plus glue. Now to make it stronger, I am going to give a coat of homemade gesso. For recipe video, please check the description box. Once all 4 pieces get dried completely, I am going to give a coat of black acrylic color. I have covered these pieces with tissue paper for a good texture. Apply it on all 4 pieces and allow it to dry and keep it aside. Now for the base cardboard, I am going to give a chrome yellow color. Now for the decoration, I am going to use air dry clay. I am using Fevicryl molded. 1 pack costs about 20 rupees. It will have 2 parts, resin and hardener. Mix it well until it becomes white colored clay. Now split into small pieces and make a ball, clay balls like this. Now to make the petals, just roll it at one end like this and then press it with your fingers, and take any needle or toothpick like this and then just roll to make a petal. Make about 15 to 20 petals. I am going to make poppy and rose flower for decoration. To make a center part of a poppy flower, do like this and make texture with any sharp objects. You can use knife or needle and flatten the edges. I am using white glue to stick all those petals together. For a poppy flower, take a center part and arrange petals like this. Now take a water bottle cap and place the flower like this to hold the shape. For a rose flower, just take all the petals and arrange as I do. Do share my video to your family and friends who might be interested in crafting. Do comment on what you think about it. You can use any adroit clay to make leaves and flowers, but Fevicryl molded adroit clay will take only 30 to 40 minutes to dry completely. Now to make the leaves, roll some clay. I'm taking natural leaf for the impression. Just place it above the clay and roll it to take the impression. Use any knife and cut it. You can either make leaves by this way or take some clay, flat it with your fingers. Now take a knife and give a texture of a leaf. Now to stick all the containers to the base, I'm going to use Fevibond. You can get it from any craft shop, or you can even use glue gun or any super glue. If you are using Fevibond, you have to apply glue on both sides and leave it for 5 to 7 minutes to dry completely, and then you have to stick it. Now stick all 4 pieces and arrange them as per your wish. It is not mandatory that you have to use 4 pieces. You can increase or decrease the number of containers according to your wish. Now take some adroit clay, roll it for the branches. If the adroit clay is still wet, you can use normal white glue or any glue to stick the clay to the surface. But if it gets dried completely, you have to use super glue such as Fevikwik, Anabond, Fevibond, or you can even use glue gun. All the leaves and flowers has been dried completely, so I'm going to use super glue to stick all those pieces to the containers. Now arrange all the flowers and leaves around the container according to your wish. So this is how it looks. I just gave you an idea of how to arrange all the leaves and flowers to the containers. Now to highlight the texture made by the tissue paper, I am going to use golden yellow. This is a metallic color which will give you a shiny look. Use finger to highlight the texture. For the poppy flowers, I am going to give red acrylic color. All colors I use are acrylic colors of Fevicryl company. Do check the description box to know all the colors I have used for this craft. Now to highlight the petals, I'm using golden metallic powder. This step is completely optional. I'm just highlighting the petal edges. And the beautiful multi-purpose organizer is ready to use. You can use them to organize your stationery or craft things, or you can even put in some cutlery things like spoons, fork or knives. Or you can even use it for flower arrangement. If you like this craft, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. See you, bye bye.